Hi, welcome to Land of Chemistry. Simple steps to organic chemistry. In this video, we are going to learn the halogenation of nitroalkanes. That is, we are going to prepare chloropicrin from nitromethane. Come on, let's learn the reaction. CH3 NO2. This is nitromethane. We are going to react it with 3Cl2, that is to 6 chlorine atom in the presence of sodium hydroxide. What happens during the reaction? The 3 hydrogen from here and 3 chlorine atom from this chlorine molecule will leave as 3HCl, and the remaining 3 chlorine atom will replaces the 3 hydrogen atom. So we get CCl3NO2. What is this? Trichloro nitromethane. The another name of this compound is chloropicrin. Come on, let's write the name for these structures. This is nitromethane. Reacts with chlorine. In the presence of sodium hydroxide, we get chloro picrin as the product. The other name of this compound is trichloro nitromethane. Okay, and this is hydrogen chloride. Come on, let's summarize the reaction now. When nitromethane reacts with 3 chlorine molecule in the presence of sodium hydroxide, we get chloropicrin as the product along with HCl. Thank you.